Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a scrunchie. As you can see in this video, I've made one with a smaller elastic. And for this video, we're making use of a bigger elastic band. So our measurement is 4 by 16 inches long for the fabric, while for the elastic is 7 inches long. So after you've gotten that, we're going to turn the material right side, touching right side. I'm going to sew down all through. So once you've sewn it down, you're going to turn the material inside out and insert your elastic inside it. So after inserting your elastic band, you're going to secure the ends of your elastic band tightly for you not to pull out easily. Once that is done, you're going to stretch scrunchies for the material to cover up the excess of the elastic. Then you fold the ends of the fabric for it to look presentable. Then once you've done that, you're going to tack it with a matching thread. But for the purpose of this video, we're making use of a black thread, so make sure you make use of a matching thread. Once that is done, our scrunchies is ready. Within less than 2 minutes, you can see it's done. Very easy to make. Yeah, very nice, very fancy, as you can see. So please guys, subscribe, share, like, comment, and always click on the notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload new video. Thank you.